A very good evening to all of you. I'm Prem Sundar from ELC second year, and I'm the AI lead of Intel IoT Club. So, firstly, I would like to thank and congratulate all the students who were part of this blog-a-thon. So, today in this session, we'll be giving you a small summary of the blogs that we received, and yes, we'll be announcing the winners for sure. And also, this is the last event of this academic year. We'll be giving you information about the future of the club. So, sadly, there won't be any event until September, and you might see lots of changes uh, by that time.
Hello. Hel-
So, as a member of panel to judge the blogs, I got to know a lot of new things. The field of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT is lot diverse that we constantly need to learn new things. So today I'll be sharing some of the new things I got to learn when I was a panel of this competition. So I got to read a lot about smart IoT devices, and one device that blew my mind was smart ring. So we had smartphones, then it became even smaller to become a smartwatch, and now we are having a smart ring. So we are able to come up with interesting developments that are making our devices more compact and more smarter. After this, there was a blog that stated key points, uh, key points about cyber security in IoT, and also the need for ethics to be maintained by AI models and quickly adapt to the changes. Also, there was an interesting fact about humanoid, that is a human resembling object that it was created way back in 1495. I also got to know a lot about new technologies finding its way. And There was an amazing blog about how deep learning is used in single phone call, that is in signal transmission, with great details about it. So we will be sharing all the blogs with everyone, and please do go through it so that you will learn a lot of new information. And there will be many futuristic ideas, and this might be a new beginning for you guys, where you might be inspired by the new ideas and come up with your own. So thank you everyone. Now Deepak will continue.
I'm audible, right? Okay. Namaskar. I'm Pinyal Deepak sir. Firstly, I would like to thank each and everyone for the constant support in the recent events, for the constant support in joining the events and making them a success. I'm very happy to share that I was selected as deeplearning.ai event ambassador recently. Even I'm promoted to level 2 of Intel IoT student ambassador. Now I reached the level 3 for the same. I'm at to receive the badge for it. So with the recent events, trainings, contests, and competitions, I learned a lot as organizing team as head of this club. There are many things I learned. I I got rid of my stage fear. I learned many technologies. As my brother said, when you're learning something, you need to speak about it for constantly 5 minutes. Then only you learn something from it. So, as in the last event, I spoke about IoT projects and then what are the club benefits of joining as a club. I'm a person who is kind of extra into extracurricular curricular activities like clubs and these extra projects in my which I can back in my resume. So as a person who belongs to the extracurricular activities, I would like to say the benefits of them to each and everyone, so that they will get inspired from it too. I wouldn't say academics. You shouldn't lose academics. You should manage the both of them, and then with the events and the recent contest, we with the recent contest that is Blog-A-Thon. With the Blog-A-Thon, we received many responses, and as a hectic scheduler for classes, We received a few submissions where we evaluated each of them, and we came to a final decision today. Before going to the winners of the Blog-A-Thon and I'd like to tell you about the future activities of club. This will be the last event in our academic year. For first years, it will end around August, something like that. For second years too, it will end August. So for everyone, the next time will start in September, right? So there will be no events in July, August. Because people are having end semesters in those 2 months, right? So this will be, you can say this will be the last event of this academic year. This will be the last contest of this academic year. So till today, this academic year, through this club, we are in a learning phase. We learn something from in IoT, something in machine learning, and those things, right? So from next academic year, we'll be moving to project phase, where we'll work on projects. We'll implement your ideas into real-time projects. Bag your ideas into bucket list and prepare for them to implement in you say September. So we'll be starting in September. So when it comes to this blogathon, well, many people wrote their blogs, many people wrote their ideas where that I gave the topics, right? Deep learning and then IoT, what projects they can work on, what projects they can build upon. So I wrote this all ideas. They're amazing, I will say. So moving ahead, so who are the winners of this blogathon? Very excited, right? Well, I would say I'm as excited as you. We have two prizes, top two prizes. The first prize goes to Ananta Krishna Anna, who is from CSE first year. And the second prize, we gave it a thought. Then, according to your evaluation point, the second prize is equally goes to Bhavana, BN, and Balakumaran. So the first prize will be 15. The first prize, cash prize, will be 1,500 plus certificate, especially for first prize. And then the second prize will be 500 for Bhavana, BN, and 500 for Balakumaran K. The top three will receive the certificates, and then every participant will receive their participation certificate. So there are many blogs. I read blog. I wouldn't say no blog is. You can say every blog is excellent in their return. But as per our evaluation pattern, we did the evaluation and finally decided these three winners. You can say. We'll be giving out. We'll reaching out to people in few days, and we'll collect the details for the process. Then you can say like these are the websites of our social media. We are actually looking forward to improve our social media. We're looking forward to take people into our team. So stay connected with us through Discord so that we'll share the opportunities or we'll share the ideas about our project, future projects, and future events. So this will be the event of this will be the link for the website where we'll constantly update every announcement in website. This is the Discord channel. Discord channel is the this is our main communication social media can say, where we'll announce everything on Discord first. Then we'll share about every event in Instagram channel. You can follow our Instagram channel by typing Intel IoT Club. So as I earlier said, the next phase is project phase, right? So we are already in touch with the Intel and other companies for the sponsorship, so that we'll work on projects extensively. We'll provide, you can say, will invent something or will improve something where it will be useful to society, it will be useful to our college, and it will be a great invention, you can say. It will start will not directly will dig into the deep projects. We'll learn and then we'll implement our ideas. We'll make our ideas super bright. This will be the learning phase. I will share few, you can say, preparation materials for this learning phase. You can practice on. You can learn as we are going into machine learning, Intel IoT, machine learning, IoT, deep learning. Right, need some basics. In project phase, we not only focus on practical things. We'll focus on from beginner to then medium level phase, right? So we'll be conducting some events for the people who already into this fields and will grow in this field. Then I would like to call our Anbalgan sir to speak.
Deepak, you can hear me, right? Deepak?
Yeah, sir, I can hear.
Yeah. So, folks, very good evening. Om Namah Shivaya. And, first of all, I would like to appreciate the winners of this Blog-A-Thon contest. So, appreciation does not mean it is only for the winners, but also the participants, who got a chance to, share their idea in the form of a blog. So the point that I would like to share here is whenever I have something in my mind, something that I want to know, so I'll be immediately looking at the things, the blogs like Medium or towards data science. So in that time, I'll be thinking when my name is going to be there in the Medium under a particular article or a particular topic, but now today, all the participants, you can be proud of yourself that you have your blog posted in Medium, so you can see your name. Not just you, but anyone across the globe can see your name. Then they'll be knowing that this article was written by you. So it is in fact a good opportunity that you have utilized. So my appreciation not just go to the winners, but also all the participants. Yeah. So yeah, again, I would like to thank the organizers of this event. I mean, the members of the club, the leads of the club. Um, yeah, as it was mentioned by Deepak and the Prem Kumar. So this is going to be the last event of this academic year. So since we are in the inception phase, we have just limited number of events to be conducted this time. But in the forthcoming year, as rightly mentioned by Deepak, we have plans to have project contest, that will help the scenarios that we are facing inside the campus. So we'll try to provide solution to all those things or problems that we are experiencing here day to day in our day to day life. So we would expect all of you to extend your kind support in all the future events. So I wish you each and everyone will participate, will take part in all the events that we are going to roll out through the IoT Club. So that's it, Deepak. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the speech, sir. So, guys, if you have any doubts, you can just like us to answer them.
Uh, Please do join our social media handles, our Discord channel, Instagram, etc. So that's the end of this event. So thank you everyone for being part of this event.
Thanks everyone for joining. We'll be winding up. If you have any doubts, please reach out to me through Teams or Outlook. Thank you.